Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Narzo 30 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button right here. Keep holding it until this menu appears on the screen, then press and hold on this white dot and drag it to the bottom of the screen and then release it. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. So let's press and hold them. Keep holding the buttons until you see the REALME logo on the screen. Then you can release both buttons. And after a couple of seconds you should see this screen. Here we need to select the language for the recovery menu. You can do it either by using the physical buttons like volume up and volume down buttons to scroll through the menu and power button to confirm the selection, or you can just use the touchscreen. I'm gonna use the touchscreen, so I'm gonna select English language like this. Here let's select the wipe data, and then you have two options: wipe data and format data. Wipe data removes the settings and things like basically it leaves the contacts, messages and photos on your phone. The rest of it is gonna be removed. So it's gonna remove I don't know, settings and other things like apps, games and stuff like that. And format data basically removes the everything from your phone, so it will wipe the phone completely. I'm gonna select the format data, but you can select the option you like. And now we need to enter this code written right here. So 1475. Each time the code is different, so make sure to check the code right here. And now let's tap on format to confirm and start the wiping process. Let's wait until the process is complete. And once it's done, tap on OK and wait. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.